So what comes along with celebration, food, and gift giving this time of year, other than a good time? Packaging and organic waste. That's what. Here is your sorting guide to use after you're all finished with the fun. Paper gift wrap, while beautiful, is also recyclable and can be put in your curbside recycling. Cousin Eddie's eggnog? Curbside, but be sure to give it a good rinse. Foil trays and wrap? Curbside. Way too many greeting cards? You guessed it, curbside. So what needs to go to the depot? Other flexible plastic like candy wrappers, plastic bags, bubble wrap, plastic-lined envelopes, glass jars and bottles, foam packaging, string lights? Either donate them or bring them to the depot. Impressive! But is there anything that can't be recycled? Foil gift wrap, you know, the shiny stuff, can either be reused or put in the garbage. Try paper gift wrap next time. Ribbons and bows? Reuse or throw away in the garbage. And you know those leftovers that you forget about? Toss them in your green bin. And while we're at it, those fats, oils, and grease, let them cool and toss them in your green bin as well. Got a question? Just download the Municipality of North Cowichan's Curbside Collection app. It'll be sure to sort you out. Happy holidays from the Municipality of North Cowichan.